Yo, what's happy time here? Today we are making a video really late at night. My dad's still up, the TV's still on. All my animals are asleep. Something really exciting I have to play today. Is that good? I'm just doing the lighting. Yeah, it's good. And, yeah, it's a good night. It's really been a good night. I'm 9 years old. I used to be 8 when I started the channel. I was 8. Yeah.
Watching.
It's been a really good day. I flew my drone, which was super fun. I learned how to fly it. And I flew it outside, flew it up my friend's head.
After like 12 o'clock, weird.
Did some stuff. I flew it over my friend's head with the drone because he was on his skateboard. I mean, not a skateboard, a scooter, and then I was flying my drone over. Maybe I could upload a video from my drone camera and fly my drone around. Show you. Show you my neighborhood, show you the circle, show you my friend's house, show you outside of our house. Yeah, you're probably super familiar with this part of our house, like the couch, the TV, the fireplace, the stuff, and the grandfather clock, and all that stuff. Probably really familiar with that. But what you're not familiar with is over there, like in the hallway and stuff, in the bedrooms and the dining room. The dining room is right there. The kitchen is right there. The kitchen's right there. The dining room is right here. And the hallway's over there too, right there. Yeah, too bad I can't make a house tour video because I was using it on my tablet, but that doesn't work because then I found a button that said tips and it showed a picture of a phone. I guess that's if you want to film stuff on your tablets, but that's what I want to do. Guys, I did upload a gameplay video today of Minecraft, but sadly, my dad was on the computer and he didn't let me have it, so I couldn't upload that Minecraft video. I wanted to make it. He wouldn't let me upload my thing. Woo, man, it's hot in here.
Look, this is what they had on December Leathercraft specials for December.
I gotta do something real quick.
This is Fort Worth, Texas.
Got my real headphones on now. Yeah. I don't really know what to do. And
Offers expired 12/31.
Now these headphones are actually real. They have a real mic. They have a real mouthpiece.
That's the time of year when they have the good deals.
And
from Christmas to New Year's. We need to look at their website. And why I can't find my glasses?
Maybe this is their sale.
It might be it.
I don't really know what to do in today's video.
Extending it.
It looks
awfully
But
cheap.
It looks awfully cheap for now.
as you
Why
can see,
can't
you
find
guys
my
real.
glasses?
Plug them in.
We went to the store.
And
phone.
yeah.
Yeah, y'all are getting the
Right
LG
now,
phone.
sadly, I gotta listen to a music because it's a really cool song that I want to listen to on YouTube. It's Minecraft.
Guessing this is the headphone jack.
You guys know that Minecraft is slowly dying down, which is sadly, Minecraft is slowly dying down, I think, guys. I don't really know.
I want to go see Rogue One with Bo.
You're probably wondering why, Lazarus, why aren't you using your overkill headphones? I'm not using them because you have to download software, you have to put in a disc, we don't have a DVD player or anything. So, a CD player, so...
We do have an external CD player.
But it doesn't work on that Apple computer.
Oh.
The headphones don't work on this computer. It's Apple because Apple's too good for the headphones.
It's not compatible with anything that you bought with Dell. That's the problem.
Yeah, no, you need a YouTube channel.
If I did, I would have to trick out my room. I'd buy a green screen and all that fun stuff. And I don't want to spend my $100 on that junk.
That's what I should get, guys. A green screen.
No. What you need to do is review that drone. Next video tomorrow.
I did, but I'll show it again.
No, we need to do a proper review, like on a table.
Okay, well
All
there
you gotta
ain't.
do is put a table in
Oh,
front
wait!
of
I got it. Ugh. This will be my reviewing table.
Oh. Oh, guys.
This will be my cardboard reviewing table. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be reviewing my stuff again because I didn't really do a good job last video. All of you have saw my headphones. My drone you haven't seen that much. I just showed a glimpse of it in one of the videos.
Let's just sit and tell the name of the brand. And where you can get it.
Okay. This drone was... Wait a minute.
Use your little pocket knife,
Oh,
Now,
it's right there.
How come?
what was I looking for? What was I going to do?
Look at Tandy. That's what you're thinking about.
I'm gonna use this. I can barely see it.
What I was going to look at.
Need this to be moved further
Okay.
back.
Send it up the other way.
So maybe I was going to look at that box.
Okay,
Is that
guys,
gonna
I
go
think I'm ready. So first off, we have it's hot in here, guys. It's really hot in here. Yeah. And
Anything in here that we
no,
miss?
I don't know. But first, we're going to be reviewing the drone. And we got this from Amazon as a gift because I really wanted a drone. It's like Uncle Israel read my mind. I don't know how he knew I wanted a drone, but you can get this. You can get this at Amazon.com. Just type in drones and you might find it. It has a camera. It's by Key Toys. You should get it. It's really cool. And now I'll be showing you the actual product. Okay,
The most
first
expensive pair is like $50 or $80.
we will be starting off
And they don't
with
look as nice as
the
that.
drone. As you see,
They don't look as nice as those, but
this is
the
the drone.
the brand, the nicest pair is like $50 or $80.
Then the This is the controller. I really recommend this drone. It's 14 and up, but of course, YOLO. I'm 8 years old, and that's what the controller looks like. And yeah, that's the drone.
Probably use it for talking on the telephone.
And I got 14 subscribers.
That'd be really cool. Like to connect these to the telephone. So
14 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much.
We used to have Skype headset.
I recommend this drone for 14 and up because YOLO. I'm 8 years old, but YOLO is 14 and up. I don't care. But I still am kind of good at flying it. I mean, I did fly it properly today. Unlike the first time I tried to fly it. That was a mess. But, yeah, guys.
There's no more candy? Because I could use some candy right now.
And I could use a diamond play button. That's what I could use right now. That's what I really want.
Okay.
I wouldn't want nothing else. Even I would pass a phone for you diamond play button. I don't care. Guys, sorry, I just gotta fix this table because it's cardboard. I just slapped a bunch of cardboard together. That's a proper table. And I recommend this drone, 14 and up again. It's pretty cool. And I gotta get myself a chair because, like this little bench. $11 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much. Now I got 14, which is even better. I'm just gonna do the setup. Now, as always, you can get this at Amazon. I don't know where else you can get it. I don't see it at Walmart, so I recommend getting it at Amazon. Sorry, my computer was going down. But, yeah, that was today's review video. We also got this. But I'm afraid I can't show you this right now because those were in Leah's room. It's a surprise. But, yeah. It's been Lila's Happy Time. Stay happy. And remember, stay happy.